It was a beautiful summer day when a young boy had a terrible accident. Luckily for the boy, the ambulance was close by and he was quickly transported to the closest hospital. The ambulance arrived at the hospital before the doctor, and the boy was immediately transported to the operating room, while the parents of the boy were told to wait in the lobby. A couple of minutes later, the doctor entered the hospital in a hurry after being called in for an urgent surgery. He changed his clothes and went directly to the surgery block, where he briefly meets the boy's father and mother pacing in the hall waiting for him. On seeing the doctor, the father yelled, "Why did you take all this time to come? Don't you know that my son's life is in danger? Don't you have any sense of responsibility?" The doctor smiled and said, "I'm sorry, I wasn't in the hospital and I came as fast as I could after receiving the call. And now, I wish you would calm down so that I can do my work." Calm down? What if your son were in this room right now? Would you calm down? What if your own son would die while waiting for the doctor? What would you do then? Said the father angrily. The doctor smiled again and replied, "I and the rest of our team will do our best to save your son's life. I advise you to calm down and take a seat." "It's easy to give advice when you're not concerned," said the father as the doctor went to the operating room. The surgery took some hours, after which the doctor came out of the operating room with good news. "The operation was a success and your son is going to be okay." Without waiting for the father's reply, he started running towards the exit, saying, "If you have any questions, ask the nurse." Why is he so arrogant? He couldn't wait a minute or two to answer some questions about my son's condition, commented the father when seeing the nurse minutes after the doctor left. The nurse answered, tears coming down her face. His son died yesterday in a similar accident. He was at the burial when we called him for your son's surgery, and now that he saved your son's life, he left running to finish his son's burial. After hearing this, the father calmed down and apologized for his behavior. You see, we never know what the person in front of us is going through. In a fit of rage, we yell at people when things don't go our way. Sometimes it is necessary to put ourselves in someone's shoes to understand their situation. We need to wait for a second before pouncing on someone in anger.